Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom, here where we talk about finance and how to reach your financial freedom sooner. So I'm excited to talk to you about financial freedom sooner, is that to find out my three most important tasks in the day and accomplish it sooner. So it's called MIT, the 3 MIT tasks for the day. So the habits of wake up early in the morning and just have a piece of paper and pen, or it could be a notepad for iPad or iPhone, doesn't matter. It's up to you. But one of the habits that really contribute to my being more productive, being more successful, is to be able to find out what are those tasks, most important tasks that need to be done for the day. So it could be one most important thing, or it could be 3 most important things that you need to do for the day. But it doesn't matter. The main thing is to write down all the things that need to be accomplished, and then to rank those in the important priorities and urgency. I learned this a long time ago from Brian Tracy, and I love reading his books. And one of the books that really helped me and inspired me to be better and more successful, and it's called Eat That Frog. And in that book, he encouraged me to write down my goals a lot, for the day, and set deadlines to those goals. And there's a lot of suggestions. I think there's 7 steps that he go through. Have a clear goals in mind, what you want to accomplish, write down on paper, set a deadline, and break it down to more manageable tasks and things like that. Have an accountable partner. All his advice all adds up. And I really appreciate and very thankful that he shared his advice to all of us. So I hope that you are inspired to start this, few habits that I'm going to be discussing. So the first habit is to find out your most important task for the day and accomplish it. So it could be 2, could be 3, could be 4, but the main thing is to aim for 2 to 3 tasks that need to be done for the day, and get it done really early in the day, so that you have more time to make adjustment, more time to focus on other things later on. But the 80-20 principle, the 80-20 rules really apply. So of all the 10 tasks that need to be done for the day, mainly it could be 1 or 2 tasks. 20% of those tasks going to contribute to about 80% of the things that, make an impact in your life, or your business, or your career, or your personal life, etc. So I really believe that you need to really find that 1 or 2 or 3 tasks at most that need to be done, and just, eat that frog. Just find your frog that you've been procrastinating, and just go in and try to dissect it, eat it right away as early as you can in the day. That's my suggestion. The second habit that I find really helpful, that really helped me to become more successful and able to save more money, is to invest into the index fund, or to invest into a S&P 500, or companies that I believe are really undervalued. Hearing from people here and there that this stock is doing well at this time, it's going to be blowing up next time. But I stopped doing that. I stopped listening to people say, Apple or Facebook is going to blow up, etc. So basically, I believe that you can, if you don't want things to be too complicated, just go and invest into either S&P 500 or the Vanguard or Fidelity Total Stock Market. I believe in the S&P 500, so I have a small portion. Some portion of my investment is going to be in S&P 500, and I also invest into some of like a handful, about 20 or 30 stocks that I believe are undervalued, and I do my research on them, and I hold them long term. I don't just hold it for a couple months and then sell them when the market's down, etc. So I think that in the long run, it's best to do your research early, invest into those, and just hold them. And along my research, I found out about Magic Formula Investing website. It's called magicformulainvesting.com, and also Acquire Multiples. And there's a lot of different free stock screener out there that you can really do your research. But I stick mostly to the magicformulainvesting.com website, and they list out about 30 to 50 stocks that are undervalued, doing well, and then I just go in and every quarter, meaning every 3 months, I would go and buy 5 to 7 stocks of those and do them consistently. So every 3 months, you can go in and look at those stocks. You can, pick which stock, or you can rank them. You can rank them by their magic formulas if you want to be more technical. But if you don't have time for that, that's fine. Just pick the one that you think, you do your research, and I base it on the last 6 months. If their value is going well or doing well, then I invest into those. So that's something that every 3 months you go in, you buy those 5 or 7 stocks, and you hold them for at least 12 months, and then you sell them. It's simple as that. So that's habit number 2 that really helped me to be, more passive but still earning money. And I believe that my strategy on magic formula investing is going to be performing better than S&P 500. The next one that I'm going to talk about is going to be finding out ways to passively earning money. Whether you want to invest into the business that I was talking about, you want to get piggyback onto the stocks market, or you can create a digital products or digital designs that help you to earn money or royalties later on. So what do I mean by digital products? Digital products could be a very broad spectrum. It could be a lot of different things out there. It could be YouTube videos that you share with people about the things that you love. It could be that you're into makeup, or you're into designing, or it could be that you love to draw, love to dress up, or things like that. I'm not sure what it is you're interested in. You just have to discover, what kind of hobbies, what kind of stuff that you really enjoy doing, and just do it consistently every day. And if you want, you can upload your videos, sharing about how your artwork, how you make this or draw this, etc., onto YouTube every day, and then see how it grows. That's one way that I like to create digital products. Another way is actually to write. People like to write blog posts or share their recipe, etc., on the website. So that's another way. Other people also share about the product that they tried out and it's working out for them, so they earn commission, affiliate links to those blog posts. Now, it doesn't mean that you have to have a website. Not necessarily. You can share affiliate links with people on Facebook or on website. There's places out there like Seeking Alpha or etc. that they can actually give you free website, free posts, blog posts that you can post and share your links or experience. Or you can go to Reddit or Quora and share or comments on people blog posts and share with them your experience about this product, etc. So that's another way. So it doesn't necessarily mean you have to have a website. The third habit that I'm talking about, that you need to discover or find out what that digital product is going to be. It could be a digital product, it could be a physical product, and not necessarily digital product. I'm more into digital products, but you don't have to do that. You can be selling, used stuff on eBay, or you can sell, new stuff on Amazon, etc. Doesn't matter. The main thing is to get started. That's the main thing. So that's my 3 habits that I believe that can help. I've been helping a lot of people become millionaires, and a lot of people able to reach their financial freedom sooner. If you like what I talk about, if you enjoy these kind of videos, if you would like to know more about how to financial freedom, then don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and I see you in the next video.